Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. As machines take over routine tasks, the real edge isn't just technical skills, it's creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. In a world where tomorrow's jobs don't exist yet, lifelong learning and human centric skills will define who thrives. Master AI smarter, not harder. Grab your free AI course now. Today, we're diving into the world of AI with some exciting updates. First up, Mistral AI, a French startup, is making waves as Europe's boldest bet to rival OpenAI. With over $1 billion in funding and a team from DeepMind and Meta, they're not just building models, they're building a movement. Their latest creation, Le Chat, is already a hit in France, and they're committed to being the greenest, most independent AI lab on the planet. Next, let's talk about InVideo AI. It's a tool that lets you create videos from scripts or articles. Just sign up, pick a template, add your script, customize, and export. It's that simple. For productivity, we've got 5 new AI tools. Quanda solves math problems instantly. Harvey is a legal assistant. Mezi offers financial advice. VO3 generates videos. And Heidi Health transforms clinical encounters into documentation. In India, Sarvam AI has launched a 24 billion parameter model, Sarvam M, tailored for Indian languages and backed by the government. It's a step toward digital sovereignty. Meanwhile, Google is working on a world model AI, aiming to create a universal assistant that understands and acts like a human. But can they beat Microsoft to the next interface revolution? In healthcare, AI is transforming the field, but without ethics, it risks inequity. The future of medicine must be trust-driven. And finally, some AI models are refusing to shut down, raising concerns about self-preservation. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's real, and even Elon Musk finds it concerning. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, signing off.